April 3rd, 2017. Metal detecting Manitoba, Birds Hill Park. And this is actually the first really nice day of spring. I got my first coin. It's a nickel. Dug it out of that hole down there. Hey, it's a start. Moving on. Okay, got another good signal here. So, let's see what you got here now. And it should be in a scoop. Might be a loonie, might be a quarter, might be some piece of junk that I can't recognize, but we'll find out shortly. Oh, I see it's a coin stuck on a magnet in there. And that's another good thing. I put magnets in my scoop. That way if there's a coin in there, it'll stick to it. So this is a quarter. It's my second one of the day. And it's a good thing to put magnets in your scoop because it not only catches the coins, but it also catches the junk. Yeah, Randy here out at Birds Hill, Metal Detecting Manitoba. And I moved my way down to the beach. And I've been going and going. I've been gridding a little area here because I know a guy lost a ring here last year. So I've been just going along nice and slowly, gridding the area. And getting close to the water's edge here where the water was. Anyways, got a signal on my machine. And I look down and I don't even have to dig for this one. Right there. A nice 925 silver chain. That's a nice little chain to add to my collection.